Welcome. Today, we're walking through how to make an audio call with chat on Messenger quick, simple, and updated for the latest version of the app. Whether you're catching up with friends, talking to family, or connecting for work, Messenger makes voice calls easy and crystal clear. Let's get you started. First, open the Messenger app on your phone. You'll see your recent conversations and contacts right there on the home screen. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you're signed in with your Facebook or Meta account to get full access to your messages and call features. Next, tap on the chat you want. This could be a one-on-one conversation or even a group chat. Once you open the chat, your text messages will appear and you'll see a few icons at the top of your screen. Now, look for the phone icon at the top, that's your call button. Tap it once and Messenger will start connecting your call instantly. If it's your first time, the app might ask for microphone permissions. Go ahead and allow them so that your contact can hear you clearly. Once the call connects, you'll see the in-call screen. From here, you can mute your microphone, switch to speaker mode, or even end the call when you're done. You can also continue typing and sending messages during your call, which makes multitasking super easy. If the person on the other side doesn't answer, Messenger gives you the option to leave a quick message or try again later. The app also shows a call history, so you'll always know when someone tried to reach you, and that's it. Making an audio call on Messenger takes just a few seconds. You don't need any extra setup, just a good Wi-Fi or data connection, and you're ready to go. So go ahead, open Messenger, tap your chat, hit that phone icon, and start your next conversation today. Thanks for watching.